All right, well, as you can see, we took down this monstrosity. It used to be a disabled pad, or a disabled ramp. This is what the survey of the yard is looking like these days, and it's raining today. Oh my goodness, it's June 5th and raining. It never happens, or very rarely. It usually stops raining in May. But we're delighted because we had planned to work in the house today anyway. So it worked out, didn't it, Thomas?
Oh, not me. I wanted to go fishing.
Yeah. Anyway, what are you up to today, honey?
We are putting drywall on this opening, and we're going to corner bead it. Next, we're trying to get all the taping on. We first cut a compound. Yesterday, we installed a three-way switch for the lights. Did some retrofit electrical. I had to fix just about everything we touched. And
After you touched it?
We're almost to the getting plastering. So Melissa is the texturing expert. She's going to be doing all the texturing.
Plastering?
Yeah. Well, taping, texturing.
Did you touch everything? Did you fix everything after you touched it? Is that what you meant?
No. Every electrical box I've opened up, I've had to fix because all the electrical was soldered. And highly dangerous. That's been a no-no now for like at least 50 or 60 years. So
this house was built in the 80s, right? Well, I guess that's getting close to 50 years. Anyway, yeah. So this is what my living room is looking like today. That's what it's been looking like more or less since we bought them almost a year ago. Actually, is today the anniversary? June 3rd. June 3rd. Yeah.
Today's the 5th, I believe.
Yeah, so this is a year later. Laundry room is all taped and everything, and we've talked about beautiful cabinets that the cabinet maker that I live with will one day build in here, but yeah, down the road. It's been a lot. This is still the tool room. We've only lived here for 6 months, but anyway. That's new. PG&E's been working on the line and clearing out a lot of trees, and therefore we got some chip, which is cool. Yeah. Still very much a work in progress. We have been living in this room quite successfully. It's been fine. At any rate, it is coming along slowly. A lot of work done outside this year.